I'm Sai Nithin. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you friends how to add the real-time FPS meter in the OnePlus 9R device. As you can see, so right now I'm using the OnePlus 9R. So there's an inbuilt real-time FPS meter. You can actually set it in this phone. So in this video, let's explore how you can actually enable that option. So previously, same kind of real-time FPS meter is already present in plenty of other UIs as well. For example, the MI and the Poco, Redmi, they do have this kind of real-time FPS meter where you can actually see every time friends. That's a really good useful feature. So let's see how to enable this kind of same kind of feature in this OnePlus 9R device. So in case if you're watching my channel for the first time, so make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description. So first is that you need to enable the developer options. So to enable the developer options, you need to go to the About phone. So once you're in the About phone, so try to click on the, as you can see, build number. So try to click on the build number. So then the developer option will be enabled. So developer option you can find in the systems. So as you can see in the system, you can find this option which is called developer options. So want to try to scroll down. So just try to scroll down. So don't go too much down. So just I think it will be here. So here there will be an option which is called the show refresh rate. As you can see friends, so show refresh rate. So this is how you can enable the real-time FPS meter which is present right now in this phone. As you can see, so right now I'm not touching the phone. So the phone refresh rate I actually change it to 60 Hz right now, as you can see. So when as soon as I touch the phone, the refresh rate will change to 120, as you can see clearly. But only one thing is that it's not reliable FPS meter friends, because it only displays two numbers. One is 60, one is 120. Apart from that, it doesn't display any other kind of refresh rate. But in the other Redmi and other Poco phones, they'll display real-time FPS meter, how much you're getting. So right now I'm not touching anything on the screen, so the refresh rate went up to 1 FPS. So this will save a lot of battery. So as soon as you touch the screen, the refresh rate will increase. As you can see, it increased to 70 FPS right now. So depending on the content, you will be able to see the real-time FPS statistics. But in this OnePlus 9R, so at the moment, by using the default settings, so you cannot do that. You can only have this kind of real-time FPS meter 60 or 120 Hz. That's it. So even if you touch, it doesn't do any kind of effect. And even if you try to change the position, you cannot change the position. So it's kind of fixed only at the one corner of the phone. That is the one disadvantage which I have seen in this phone. So for any other more queries, so make sure to comment below friends, and thank you for watching this video. And definitely maybe in the future they should bring the real-time reliable FPS meter similarly which is present like this, so which keeps on changing. So as you can see, as accurate as possible. So we don't want this kind of FPS meter. We do know just by going to the settings what kind of refresh rate the display is anyway, instead of just displaying there. So maybe in the future they might think about it. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.